Curveez, easy tips on how to use our thermal body wrap. When using our slimming body gel with the thermal body wrap, make sure it is completely dry on the skin before applying the wrap. Use your fingertips to maneuver the ends of the thermal body wrap. Never use your nails or sharp objects to avoid rips or tears. Place both ends of the thermal body wrap over your waist. The first rotation around the waist should not be too tight to avoid wrinkling the product. Afterwards, you can start tightening the body wrap around your waist. Make as many rotations as needed. When finished, use scissors to cut wrap and press ends into the body to hold in place. Remember to fold one or both ends of the roll upwards, so it will be easier to use the next time without damaging or wasting the product. To avoid the wrap rolling up on your body, limit activities that require sharp bending of the midriff, such as ab crunches. Our thermal body wrap can also be used on your arms and legs, in addition to the abdomen. The wrap promotes sweating in targeted areas, which helps to release toxins and reduce inches on the body.